What do you think?
Wow.
Naughty.
I'm fit.
You're fit, are you?
Look at this.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. The anxiety I'm getting just looking at it is just like overwhelming. Good morning.
Good morning.
We have woken up here in Klein, Curacao, and it was a beautiful sleep last night for me. Isabel, not so much.
No, it was very rolly. I had trouble getting to sleep.
We are just about to set foot on this beautiful little paradise. The tour boats have been rolling in this morning, which is it's not exactly what we want, but you know, you gotta share paradise every now and again.
They came in quite early, didn't they?
They came in one got in at 8. Can't imagine what time he left from Curacao. So this morning we're going to go check out a shipwreck, we're going to go check out a lighthouse and just the beautiful beach and island it itself. So yeah, really looking forward to it. Come along, guys. Klein Curacao, or in English, Little Curacao, is a 1.7 kilometres squared island that belongs to the Kingdom of the Netherlands in the Dutch Caribbean. It is mostly uninhabited besides the tourists that come out for the day from mainland Curacao. During the slave trade time, Klein Curacao was used as a quarantine island where the sick would be given a chance to recover before taken to mainland Curacao. Individuals who perished in quarantine are now buried in marked graves along the south of the island. What do you think?
Wow. I thought the island would be a little bit bigger, but it's not big, is it?
What's that?
It's really cool.
Yeah.
And it's like pink, reddish. It really stands out.
Let's go for a walk. Naughty. Went to own risk, I think. Nobody said it was a workout day. There's a stitch up.
What do you think?
This spot is really nice. It's really nice. Actually, it's pretty structurally sound the whole way up.
Yeah.
We just can't get right to the top, unfortunately.
They removed those steps up, which I think is quite good.
I must admit, I do like walking downstairs rather than up them.
Why?
Well, any sailor will know, after long periods on the boat, and not getting the proper amount of exercise, your legs aren't what they used to be.
No? I don't know what you're talking about. I'm fit.
You're fit, are you?
Look at this.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Originally, the first lighthouse was built in 1850, but was destroyed by a hurricane in 1877. The current lighthouse is vital, for even the most experienced captains struggle to combat the strong currents and northeast winds of the area. 5 to 6 ships can be seen washed up on the windward side of this very flat, hard to see island. I gotta admit, seeing these shipwrecks, I mean, it's the worst fear as a captain to be sailing and maybe fall asleep and your boat runs aground. Oh, I probably shouldn't be looking at these shipwrecks. I mean, the anxiety I'm getting just looking at them is just like overwhelming. It really drills into me the cautiousness we have to take as a captain surrounding sailing and surrounding kind of navigation. We really have to be careful. So I'll show you this guy right here. It doesn't look like too old a boat, this one. He's had a very bad probably night waking up to running aground on Klein, Curacao. And I mean, this island is so flat, I guess it would kind of be easy to miss. There's no hills, there's no terrain to see from the ocean, so you could easily sail into it at night time, I would say. That is a monster! That is a monster!
What'd you do?
Just climbed.
Just climbed another person's boat.
We were heeling over.
Oh yeah,
you know?
we were?
Yeah, we were sailing so quick. Just got that lean on. Oh, how about this place?
How about it?
This place is awesome.
It's really cool.
That boat that was washed up there, that made my day. There's actually like this 60-foot like monster of a boat.
Yeah.
I feel sorry for that captain.
Maybe it was abandoned at sea. Maybe the rudder broke off and they just abandoned the boat and, you know?
Maybe the captain was asleep and he just hears this almighty bang. And before you know it, he's on the rocks, he's getting smashed by the waves, and he's calling, "Mayday, mayday, mayday." That's kind of a better story, isn't it?
Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, that's what happened. And
no, we're going to give it a Google and we're going to try and find out exactly what happened for you guys.
yeah.
If we find that out, you'll hear it in a voiceover right about now. Unfortunately, we found nothing out about the 60-foot yacht, but the remains of Maria Bianca Guardsman can be seen very clearly. The large oil tanker unfortunately ran aground in 1982. The sea is slowly rusting her away, back to nothing. This sand is just so fine. The blues are so fine, the blues are so blue. Ah, that is cool. I could easily spend a few days here.
If it was not so rocky.
If it was not so rocky. It's a little bit rocky for you, isn't it? No, you don't get the best night's sleep, do you?
No.
That's okay. We'll find the perfect anchorage on the perfect island with surf and coconuts and bananas. It's coming. We're going to find it. We're still looking, but we're going to find it. Oh, what a day. Today was amazing.
I think all of our batteries are full.
We heard our friends that this place was good, but never in our wildest dreams do we think it would be this good.
No, we did a lot. We did some exploring, some sightseeing today. Saw some abandoned buildings, abandoned boats that came on shore.
Shipwrecks.
Shipwrecks. So they're also known shipwrecks.
I think they're forcibly abandoned.
You can still live on it, on a lane.
On a lane?
We're there on a lane constantly.
So now we're going to scoot back to Curacao, hopefully make it there by sunset.
And can I also just say, yeah, we saw some shipwrecks, but we also had some fun on the beach.
And
some snorkeling.
Today was fantastic. Saw a turtle and a barracuda.
And now we're going to finish this beautiful day off with a little sail.
Ooh, sneaky sail, sunset sail.
Sunset sail, hey?
Ooh.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Alright, let's do it. What are you doing in this seat, which I have prepared for myself?
I am sailing to Curacao.
Oh, so I'll be dropping off in Curacao. Who will you be? Will you be staying there, will you?
I'll be anchoring there tonight, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna check out in Kunda, and then I'm gonna sail up to Santa Cruz, and then I'm gonna sail to Colombia in a couple of days.
Is that right?
Did you wanna come along?
Well, depends if I'm in my seat or not.
Is that a rhetorical question?